Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the need for entrepreneurship. So, need for the entrepreneurship can be made more clear from the following point. There are some points which has been given. Yesterday we also discussed about the need and importance of entrepreneurship. Now today we will discuss some points. So first point is lifeline of a nation. So entrepreneurship is a yardstick to measure the development of any country, as no country can prosper and grow without development of entrepreneurship. We can see that USA, UK and other developed countries, there are well developed and well established enterprises. So every nation tries to increase its trade by having more enterprises. Yes, it is known as lifeline of a nation. If you want to be a developed nation, then there should be more and more enterprises so that your economy can be more prosperous. Second point is provide innovation. Entrepreneur is an innovator who tries new method of production, new technology, new way of marketing, etc. He develops new business ideas and put them into action to enhance the process of economic development. Yes, it is also, we know it very well that entrepreneur is the innovator. He innovate new ideas of a method of production and technology so that the existing present problem of the things or product can be solved. Then growth of economy, yes, it is also a very important point. The entrepreneur adapted to change as changes take place in environment. The changes adopted by entrepreneur in enterprises even bring changes in the society and economy. Latest technology used by enterprises not only brings growth in the enterprises, but it also brings growth of economy at large. Yes, we have just discussed that if we want to be a developed nation, we want to increase our growth, then enterprises plays an important role in deciding the growth of an economy. Then increased profits. An enterprise always tries to minimize cost. He always tries to get optimum utilization of resources. The reduction of cost and increase in efficiency always result in increase in profit. Yes, we know large scale economies of large scale production. If we are producing on large quantity with latest technology, then what will happen? Our production will increase with minimum cost. Clear? And when we are producing goods at minimum cost, then we will have higher profit or increased profit. So if we want to increase our profit, then also we have to be an entrepreneur, means we have to change our pattern. Then employment opportunity. Entrepreneurship not only provides the scope for self-employment but also offer employment to large number of people, as in the case of successful enterprises. Growth in an entrepreneurial activity lead to more and more employment. Yes, if we establish more and more industries or enterprises, then what will happen? Employment opportunity will increase. We will require more persons or more personnels. Skilled personnels also will get the job as we are using latest technology. Clear? So it is also increase the employment opportunities. Then social benefit. Entrepreneurs always try to adopt latest technology and raise the standard of living by providing good quality product and services at lowest cost. By setting up enterprises in backward area, they try to bring balanced regional growth. By making optimum utilization of resources, they save scarce resources of the society. Yes, social benefit is also there in entrepreneurship because Generally, enterprises are established in backward area to get the benefit of the tax. So it is also very useful for social benefit. So these were all the needs of the entrepreneurship. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.